Okay, YouTube, today we're going to open another box. Today it's a box of World Superstars. Yeah, get in there. I'm going to have to place it at Galaxy Soldier, to be fair. Any of the XYZs are good in this set. There's 4 super rares, 1 secret rare. We've got Elemental Blazeman. But I think the ones to get are the Legendary Dragon of Light, the Dark Magician, Legendary Dark Magician of Dark. Also, there is the main one's Galaxy Soldier, to be fair. Yeah, to one side. And that's the one that I think that's the most splashable card. You can put it in any deck. Right, okay. Let's do this. If I can get it open. Onomatopia. Mecha Phantom Beast. Yes, Stars of Surf. Yes. So. Number 86. Any of the XYZs in this set are good. XYZ 79. XYZ 36. Well, the main man has to be Galaxy Soldier. That's what, you know, that's where it's at the moment. You know, you've only got this, I think, and the Light's Revenge that have it in it. Oh, that's a good card. That's a good card. Keep that. 55. Let's break. Gaga Samurai. Keep it coming, but I could really do hitting a few of those Galaxy guys. Come on. Pendulum, Impenetrable. Heavy Knight Flame, Ghost Trick, Galaxy Eyes. Fancy. Elemental Hero Blazeman's good. It's a good card. Tachyon Transmigration. A couple of the pendulums are in here. It's probably the best card of the box, really. It's not quite what we're looking for. I'm looking for a couple of them Galaxy guys. That's a bit of a place set out of. Gaga Sister. I've not got that one yet. Do draw. Dragon Roar. Legendary Magician of Dark. There he is. That's probably, in my eyes, the second best card of the deck. Dragon Roar, Flower Bot. Okay, come on. Took me a couple of soldiers. Let's get with it. Just love opening these packs. Gaga. Number 79, Plankton. Marshalling Field. Number 18, 36. Now I can get a couple of play sets. That'd be nice. Door of Destiny. 55. Come on, where are you? Galaxy Soldier. Putman. Oh, Pendulum Impenetrable. Right, that's one side done. Now on the next side. That's the guy. That's the guy. Yeah, baby. Oh my god. Stuff makes me want to get fucking dancing. Yeah, baby. I dig that. Get in. One more. We need one more, and I've got a play set. Come on, baby. Yes. I like that. I like that a lot. Humpty Grumpty. Mind you of anyone? Yeah. Oh yeah. Come on. And another Galaxy Hero. That was another one then. Star Seraph. Flowerbot. Gagamancer. Spicy. Come on, baby. Tachyon. Another one. Photon. Hey, there you go again. The Samurai. Come on. Okay. High five in the sky. Mancer. And the Boxer. Come on, about another 7 packets. Could do another Galaxy Soldier. Just to top that playset off. Onomatopia. Pharrell Drive. And Herald Challenger. There he is. Get in. Oh, baby. Yes, Galaxy Soldier. I've now got a playset, and that's amazing. And these guys are going for like 60 quid, 60 pounds, 60 squid for free cards at the moment. These are really, really hot. And I've got 2 in this set. Can I get 3? Oh, yeah. Come on, give me one more. I've seen one box on the internet pull out 3. I think it was Cyberknight 8610. I think he had 3 in one box. I was like gobsmacked, to be fair. Oh yeah. F-Zero. Yeah, most of these XYZs are playable. The Galaxy Soldiers are just so splashable. Most guys, it's just, you know, Cyber Dragons at the moment. Another straight after each other. Can we get the legendary Dragon of White? It's looking like it's a Numeral Hunter. And we're down to our last packet. Oh, I thought it was a soldier then. Oh my god, that sank. Oh yeah. Well, that's it. You've empty box there. Thanks for watching. And yeah, most of the XYZs are good in this set. The Galaxy Soldiers are just, I think, the card of the set to collect. Obviously the legendary Dragon of White, but thanks for watching. That's out from me.